Hello and welcome to CIVILSETS YouTube channel. Today we present a design review for 945 square feet plot area. The abode is blissfully surrounded by nature, and sky enhances the beauty of this plot design. In the front section we have the space for the car and bike parking, and a beautiful quadrant-shaped garden with some stones and plants providing green area. The entrance door is glazed with white glass and wood finishing, making your home more beautiful. Understanding the person or people living in a home is a far greater need in design than focusing purely on the aesthetics. The home is designed around emotional needs. We have provided furniture according to the client need, a round table for office work with sofa, and seating for 2-3 peoples. Below the staircase there is washing machine with water dispenser. Simply unique, simply better. L-shaped modular kitchen and the beautiful picture on the wall enhancing the kitchen. A golden finish dining table for 4 peoples. This elegant master bedroom design create a more intimate and romantic feel, soft texture and colors. The combination of the modern materials, patterns and contemporary elements create a hotel-like ambience in a casual bedroom. We're willing to bet you spend the most time in your bedroom out of any other space in your home. And let's not forget that it also has to showcase your design style. For the first floor, the wooden finished stairs with 2 red supported the middle. With which we have provide the living hall and the balcony fully glazed with glass and chrome finish. We have also provide the grass wall design with the pocket garden, providing the landscaping to connect with the nature. Take a look at these beautiful bedrooms with stylish color and pattern combinations, gorgeous furniture ideas and clever finishing touches. With attached bathroom, a modern shower and a chip-size marble design concept. On the second floor, there is proper space for the study room and the coaching center for learning and teaching, with quadrant-shaped balcony and wooden flooring, attached bathroom too. The furniture you can set as per your requirement. When we think of a home with a swimming pool, we imagine that one needs a large garden for it. However, one can enjoy small swimming pool even in smaller spaces. That's all for today. Subscribe to CIVILSETS YouTube channel for more house designs. If you want to make your house design, let me know in the comment section.